1973 Plymouth Cuda. Really cool car. As you guys can see, look at that front end. I don't know the motor size till we put it down, but I'll let you guys know in a second. Anyways, got long tube headers there and there. Then it's a 73, so don't need cats, which is awesome. We did 2.5 system off the collectors all the way back, and he's got some FLOWMONSTERs. One on this side, one on this side. He wanted them clamped, so we clamped them. Then we did 2.5-inch tailpipes there and there. And then he wanted the tips clamped. He had his own tips, some special custom tips there and there. As you guys can see, he's still working on it. It's a project. We love projects. There they are, right there. Right there and right there. FLOWMONSTERs. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And hope you guys like it. And if you do, make sure you subscribe. So there it is, guys. It's a 340 4-barrel. Still working on it. It's really cleanly built. Little by little, it'll get all done. Hope you guys like it. Cuda. Go ahead.